So guys, today we are going to talk about biomass distribution in maize plants. It's very important parameters. Dr. Ali, he is expert in maize soybean intercropping system. He will introduce you how to quantify biomass distribution in maize plants. Yes, please, Ali.
Okay, my name is Dr. Muhammad Ali Reza. Today I am here on the request of Dr. Ghulam Abbas Shah to teach you how to measure the biomass distribution. First of all, you must know that why we need to measure the biomass distribution. Biomass distribution is very important because this parameter will tell you how plant is investing its dry matter in roots, in stems, in leaves, in its tassel and then in cob. So for this you need to come to the field, and at every stage, like if you have 4 stages to measure biomass distribution, then you need to take 5 plants of maize. It depends on the crop. Like if you have maize crop, then you need to take 5 plants. If you have legume crops, then you need to take 10 plants. This is the standard size for research papers. So you will come to the field. First, from every treatment you will cut 5 plants. Not cut 5 plants. You will dig the plant and remove roots and then whole plant. Then you will cut the roots from here. This is root, separated. Then you place this root into the separate paper bag. Then you will remove all leaves from here, but you will use scissor to cut the leaves. All leaves you will cut from here and then put all leaves in separate paper bag. Now you have 2 bags, one for root, one for all leaves. Then you will remove all the cobs from the plants. Remember, this is biomass distribution, so you need to remove all the related cob things from the plant. Then you will remove the in maize tassel. For these removal you use scissor. I am using my hand, but the proper procedure is scissor. Another thing, in leaves, don't remove leaf sheath. You just need to cut leaf from here. Okay?
Only leaf blade.
Yes. Now, total how many bags you will have? 1 for root, 1 for cobs, 1 for male part, tassel 3 bags, 1 for stems and 1 for leaves. Total you have 5 bags. Then you will put all these bags into the oven. First you will place 100 all the samples at 105 Celsius for just 30 minutes. Then you will turn on the oven at 65 for next 4 days. Then after 4 days you will measure the weight. If the weight, then after 2 hours again you will measure the weight. If the weight is constant, then you don't need to dry it again for the next day. If the weight is not constant, then you need to measure dry it for another day. So another day you will take the weight, and then after 2 hours you will measure again weight. If the weight is constant, then it means your sampling is final. Now, what it will tell you? It will tell you how much dry matter plant is investing in roots, stems, leaves, cobs, and then the tassel. Now, I think for this experiment, our sampling today is finished.
So how many times you have to samples for the biomass distribution during the growth of maize?
Yeah, it normally depends on the life cycle of the plant. Its life cycle depends, like in maize, this variety from 100 to 120 days. So you can select stage wise or days wise. If you select stage wise, you can take 2 stages from vegetative stage and 2 stages from the reproductive period. 4 is enough for maize. If you want to select the days, you can take 30, then 60, then 90, then 120. And it will tell you the clear picture. It will give you how biomass is distributing in plants. So I think
one question.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you about the stem.
Yeah.
Now, after separating the leaves on the stem, do you need to have, because you had told us that you will cut?
No.
Okay, this seed is not allowed on the stem?
Yes.
Good. That one means that one you threw out?
No. You will dry with stem. This.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because the reason why I was asking is,
Yeah.
you said the leaves we cut from here.
Yeah.
then the cobs will remove all, the tips will be cut. Then we remain with the stem.
Yes.
Now, are we supposed to leave this thing on the stem?
Yes.
Oh, that's okay.
Then divide it.
So that's the part of the stem then?
Yes, part of the stem. Yes. Very good. That's my clarification. Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope you learn a lot.